Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamila Pullen looks at hand, foot and mouth disease.
Hand, foot and mouth disease is caused by different viruses. It is common in children under 5 years old, but anyone can get it. Hand, foot and mouth disease is quite common, especially during this time of the year.
Most times, the diagnosis of hand, foot and mouth disease is made based on the areas of the rash. And most times the rash affects around or inside the mouth. It involves the skin, the hands, and the feet, most commonly. It does not affect the trunk of the body of the person. So usually that is how we make the diagnosis of hand, foot, and mouth disease. And sometimes they have fever with it as well.
The illness is very contagious. It can spread quickly at schools and daycare centers. Once infected, persons should remain isolated. It usually lasts for 14 days. Treatment is usually pain medication and topical ointment.
There's no medication that you would say this one is for hand, foot, and mouth disease. If the children have rash, we teach the person's hygiene. We educate persons on hygiene. They will be provided with a cream or a wash to clean the areas and wash the areas that are affected and to help to ease, because it does itch. It does itch them, so we usually give them something what we call antipyretic to prevent to help with the treatment of the rash.
Once an institution has more than one case of hand, foot and mouth disease, it is advised that it be closed and deep cleaning is done.
Say we have what we call an outbreak. So if we identify more persons than common with the disease, we usually ask the facility to close and clean. So we usually ask for a cleanup to take place within the facilities. So say we have a school that has 5 classes or 7 classes, and we have children from all these classes, not necessarily all the children, but we have children from all the classes diagnosed with this condition. We usually do a cleanup of the school.
Meanwhile, affected persons should stay hydrated and monitor the condition. With your health report, I'm Shamila Pullen wishing you good health.